Hi guys, and I'm gonna teach you how to make the things in the refrigerator. In my previous video, I put these 4 things. So I'm gonna teach you how to make the soda can first. So here's the soda can. You need this cylinder piece. You need the stud. Make 4 of those. One must be blue. Put it there. The under part, just need to put that piece. To make the food, you just need these 1x2 smooth tiles and one plate like that. So I'm gonna put it inside in the refrigerator. Put the drink in the top part. Now put this food on the down part like this on the bottom. Subscribe guys.